Miniature construction videos are going viral on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels right now. This YouTube channel has gained over 3.7 million subscribers with only 129 videos, simply by uploading these incredibly satisfying miniature construction animations. Today I'll show you how to create these videos completely free using AI. Let's get started. First, open the master prompt. From the link in the description below, copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Press enter and it will instantly generate 5 unique miniature construction ideas. Pick your favorite concept. I'm choosing option 3. Once you select a concept, ChatGPT will generate 1 detailed image prompt, along with 6 motion prompts. These prompts contain everything needed to produce the complete video. Next, open Google Flow. Select Image Mode and choose your preferred generation settings. In the video settings, make sure the model is set to Omni Flash. Paste the image prompt and click Generate. Your starting image will be ready in just a few seconds. Now click the 3-dot menu and select Animate. Copy Motion Prompt 1 from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Flow, and generate your first scene. Here's the secret that makes the final video look like one continuous construction project. Save the last frame of that video. This final frame becomes the starting image for the next scene.
Open the saved frame, click the 3 dots, choose Animate, then paste Motion Prompt 2 and generate the next scene. Continue repeating this exact process with the remaining motion prompts until all 6 scenes are complete. Once every clip has been generated, download them and import everything into your favorite video editor. Arrange the clips in order on the timeline, and then export the final video. And that's it. Your AI-generated miniature construction video is now ready to upload on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Let's watch the final result. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI content.